Hold up, answer my phone. Some bitch calling me about some bullshit, probably. I'm gonna call you right back. I'm doing this mixtape right now. I'm back to what I was saying.
Yeah, Bad Boy Reloaded. Where all the ladies at? New Mario Winans. I don't wanna know.
Somebody said they saw you.
Yeah, yeah.
The person you were kissing wasn't me, and I would never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you're playing me. Keep it on the low, 'cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna know.
Hey, before we move on, we gotta give a big shout out to the man that made this shit happen right here, man. Sean Friend, Bad Boy, what up, kid? Big shout out to Harp Pierre, we see you.
I think about it when I hold you. When looking